हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, मैं आपके साथ हूँ स्टैंडर्ड 7 का इंग्लिश बालभारती लेसन 3.2 कंपेयर अ प्रोग्राम लेसन के वार्मिंग अप के क्वेश्चन आंसर लेकर। क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट, व्हाई डज द कंपेयर रिक्वेस्ट द ऑडियंस टू स्विच ऑफ देयर मोबाइल फोन्स? Answer. To compare request the audience to switch off their mobile phones so that they can forget their busy thoughts and work for some time and enjoy the festival occasion. However, I think that this is only the compare way of being polite. Actually, she wants the mobile phone to be switched off so that they do not disturb the program. Question 2. Why does the request them to be seated? Answer. The dignitaries had arrived and were being escorted to the dais. The program would soon start and hence she requested the audience to be seated. At the beginning of the program, who does the compare addressed by name? Answer. At the beginning of the program, Compere address the head girl, Miss Shubda Murarka, by name. Why do we learn about Shri Charudatta Diwan from the Compare speech? Answer. From the Compare speech, we learn that Shri Charudatta Diwan is an eminent personality in the field of art and culture. He is a renowned artist, the painter of international repute, and the proud recipient of many prestigious awards. He is also the president of Kala Ranjan Academy. Question 5. Who does the compare thank? Answer. The compare thank the principal. Question 6. Who are they? Answer. Mr. Avadhot Pathak, President of Balananda Academy. Mrs. Shubda Murarka, School Captain and Cultural in Charge. Dr. Ajinkya Parkhi, Principal of Balananda Academy. Describe the book that is released. Answer. The book comprises photographs of all the beautiful and unique pieces of art which are displayed in the auditorium. They are the artistic and skillful contribution from the student of the school. Why does the compere thank the chief guest? Answer. The compere thanks the chief guest for releasing the special book and formally inaugurating the art festival. Question number 9. Who is taking part in the Tal Kacheri? Answer. Sahil, Varsha, Vivek, Zubin and Govind are taking part in the Tal Kacheri. Question number 10. Guess or find the meaning of Tal Kacheri. Answer. Tal Kacheri means music concert. Question number 11. How is this vocal rendition different from music? Answer. This vocal rendition is different because Sahil was singing the piece and the same piece would be demonstrated on different instruments. Question number 12. Does the compare the following at the beginning of the program or after it has ended? उसमें फर्स्ट है व्हाट अ वंडरफुल प्रेजेंटेशन दैट वाज इंडेड अ फैंटास्टिक परफॉर्मेंस. आंसर है द कंपेयर सेज द गिवन स्टेटमेंट्स आफ्टर द प्रोग्राम हैड एंडेड. क्वेश्चन 13. व्हाट इज मीन बाय बटरफ्लाइज इन योर स्टोमच? When you say that you have butterflies in your stomach, it means that you are very curious.